Today we're gonna be a good chef today. So we need smoothie first. First we add watermelon and cut the peel. How do you cut it? Oh, just cut it in the half. Okay. And let's put it on the blender and put it some little bit of water. Put it some little bit of lemon so it can has taste test. See, it's really good. Another one, pretty good. And let's make some lunch today. We're gonna make bread. Everyone likes bread, you know. I love bread. So we put it in the oven. Put it in 30 minutes. And let's slice it to a three halves. Okay, now eat it. Now let's make a fish, because I like fish. There. Now let's cut the tail, because no one likes the tail. Gonna have some here. Huh? Why didn't you like it? Let's put it some carrot. Slice yeah. Now let's boil it. Boil. Now let's knife it again. Now let's boil it again. Boil. And eat it. Yum. Oh, I didn't put. Oh, there's another one. Put it some ketchup. There we go. How? Why didn't she like it? Okay, never mind. I just gonna end this video. So thank you, and please make sure to subscribe and like the video, and comment something nice.